Today, let us make an origami penguin. Hey all, welcome to Sparklebox. This is Yamini. And if DIY is your love, then you must definitely subscribe to our channel Sparklebox and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, without further delay, let's get started with our today's DIY. We just need one material and that is origami sheet. Now let's observe the foldings carefully and complete the craft. And share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And let us know what do you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!